Tim Hewitt-Coleman, and we're building freedom today at Pebble Spring Farm. You know what, we've been waiting and waiting and waiting for the rain to come, and the rain hasn't come. So I don't know if this whole rainwater system is working or not, because we've got 3 square meters of roof here, and theoretically we should be able to get 2 kiloliters of water in a year. But have a look how much water I've got. Come have a look. You know how many liters that is? That's about 0. That's about 0 liters. And I haven't been able to test whether the system works. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to innovate. I'm going to try to do something else. I'm going to see what I can do with a bottle of water. Let's check if the system works. Because when it rains, I don't want to be stomping around here fixing up gutters. So let's pretend this is rain. Can you guys all pretend this is rain? All right. So now it's raining, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Yes! All right. It's running into the gutter. That's good news. It's not overflowing the gutter. But now the question is, will it circulate back around into the tank? Let's see. Got that right. Water's running down. Oh wow! It works! Great! We have a rainwater collection system made out of 75mm diameter cheap downpipes that you buy at any old builder's warehouse. Takes you about an hour or 2 to put together. It's really simple. I'm just trying to help you. Watch my videos and you'll learn a lot. Tim Hewitt-Coleman, Building Freedom, out.